hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nazma. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your customized BB cream. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And yes, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon for further updates. So these are the ingredients we are going to use over here. Okay, so the best part is you can customize the BB cream according to your skin tone and according to your skin type, and even according to the finish you want. Like if your skin wants dewy finish, you can change that into dewy. If you don't want, you can use a matte finish. So you can just customize it according to your preference. So in a clean bowl, I'm going to put some moisturizer. So here I have used Dermdocs moisturizer. So you can use any moisturizer whichever your skin prefers. Moisturizer, I'm going to put some sunscreen. So here I have used Lakme Sun Expert sunscreen for some sun protection. So after sunscreen, I'm going to use a primer. So here I have used Wet n Wild's matte primer. So this will help me for filling my pores and give me a flawless finish. So next I'm going to use a foundation. So here I have used Maybelline Super Stay foundation for the coverage. So now for a matte finish, I'm going to scrape some powder. So here I have used Rimmel's compact powder in the shade Sandstorm. So I want my BB cream to be dewy, so I have used a illuminator. So here I have used Swiss Beauty's illuminator in the shade pink. If you don't want your BB cream to be dewy, you can skip this part. You can skip the highlighter and illuminator part. So next I'm going to add some highlighter. So here I have used a highlighter from Maybelline. So I'm going to scrape some highlighter and put it in the bowl. So now I'm going to mix everything together. Okay, so for storing the BB cream, I am going to use a container. So here I have used a clear container, small container. I am going to transfer the concoction on the container. So basically the products which I have used, you don't have to just buy that same exact product from the market or anything. So you guys usually have your foundation according to your skin type, and sunscreen and moisturizer and even primer. So these four things are mostly important for this DIY BB cream. So I have used all these products, and you also have to use a sunscreen for this DIY BB cream. So usually you basically have all these things. And for the dusky skin, you can customize your foundation if you have that shade of foundation which is your skin tone. So that is not a problem. But if you want to customize it according to your skin shade, but you don't have that exact foundation, what you can do is use a bronzer. Just scrape the matte bronzer. Just scrape the matte bronzer and just mix the bronzer in the mixture which you are going to do. Okay, so now I have transferred this BB cream in the container. So now I'm going to test the BB cream with my Pond's BB cream, which I love. So I'm going to divide my face into two parts. So for this side I'm going to use Pond's BB cream, and for this side I'm going to use my DIY BB cream. This is my bare face, so I'm going to apply first this BB cream on this part. So I'm just dotting the BB cream all over my face. So now with a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend this BB cream. I don't know why the camera is not picking the exact color. The BB cream is like way too fair in my skin. I don't know why this is happening. So I have completed this part. Now I'm going to use this BB cream and try to make a small batch, because this is a DIY BB cream. So you should not use a large quantity. You should not prepare a large quantity. Rather, you should always try to make a small batch and use this BB cream within 7 to 10 days. So now I'm going to just place my BB cream. Guys, okay, so you guys, which side you like the most. I just prefer this side because this side is kind of heavy on my skin, but this side is way too light, and this doesn't feel sticky or anything, but this feels a lot of sticky and heavy on my skin. Okay, so this is my face with my BB cream. So this side is my Pond's BB cream and this side is my DIY BB cream. So this has a bit of sheen because I have used highlighter and illuminator, but this is kind of matte, not exactly matte, semi matte, some sort of semi matte. So okay, so this is the finished look. I have just off camera applied a tint on my lips. So which side you prefer the most, this side, the Pond's BB one, or this side, which is the DIY BB cream? I prefer this side because this is way too much lighter, not this, because this is way too much heavier on my skin, but this feels very nice on my skin, I guess. So yes, please share your thoughts in the comment section. So yes, please. So yes, make sure to give your thoughts on this DIY BB cream. Would you rather wear this or would you like to wear Pond's BB cream? So this sort of a look or this kind of makeup I usually wear when I'm going outside just for shopping or anything. So this kind of a look I usually prefer rather than putting a heavy makeup and lipstick and everything. So this is the look. So I hope you guys will like my DIY BB cream. So yes guys, make sure to like, share and leave a comment, and please share my videos as much as possible. It will mean a lot to me. Until then, bye.